In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Microsoft Teams add-in that might be missing in Outlook. This is a common issue that many users face, and I'm here to help you resolve it step by step. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started with the first solution, which I like to call the quick reset. Sometimes the two applications just need to re-establish their connection. First, you'll want to close both Outlook and Microsoft Teams completely. Once they're closed, open Microsoft Teams first and sign in to your account. It's important to wait just a moment after launching Teams. Once you're logged in, you can then open Outlook. After Outlook launches, check your calendar to see if you can now find the new Teams meeting button. If it appears, congratulations, you've resolved the issue. If that didn't work, don't worry. There's another way to get the add-in back. The next step is to enable it in your Outlook settings. Sometimes Outlook hides the add-in, thinking it might be causing performance issues. To do this, first go to the top left corner of Outlook and click on File. Then navigate to Options. In the Options menu, click on Add-ins from the left sidebar. At the very bottom of the window, you'll see a section labeled Manage. Here, select COM add-ins from the drop-down and then click Go. A new window will appear with a list of available add-ins. Look for the Microsoft Teams meeting add-in. If you see it, make sure to check the box next to it, then click OK. This should enable it. If enabling it through the settings didn't work, there's a chance Outlook might have accidentally hard-blocked it. In that case, let's check for disabled items. Return to File, then Options, and Add-ins again. This time at the bottom, change the Manage drop-down to Disabled Items and click Go. If you find Microsoft Teams in this list, simply select it and click Enable. After that, make sure to restart Outlook for the changes to take effect. Now, if you still can't find the add-in, it may be time to think about updating your applications. An older version of either Teams or Outlook can sometimes lead to issues like this. To update Teams, click on the three dots located next to your profile picture in the top right corner and select Check for Updates. This will ensure you're running the latest version. For Outlook, go to File, then Office Account, and look for Update Options. Click on Update Now to make sure you have all the latest features and fixes. By following these straightforward steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of the missing Microsoft Teams add-in in Outlook. Remember, sometimes a little troubleshooting can go a long way in making your work life just that much easier. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your workflow using Microsoft Teams and Outlook together.